Eerie silence on a mountaintop feels good, but not when that eerie silence is from the traffic to your blog, monetization on your content, and connections with brands. TrendBrew is here to help you influence more, connect more, and earn more. TrendBrew's unique social influence platform connects you to thousands of brands and your followers in an e-commerce ecosystem. Easily aggregate all the products you advocate and the awesome blogs, videos, and pictures you create in your very own marketplace. Create your very own marketplace with just 4 clicks. Create a store, curate products, blogs, and videos from any site. Link content to products. Amplify your store across social networks. As your followers come and shop your virtual stores, you start earning influence commissions. But why would your followers shop on TrendBrew? With a personalized social feed, your followers can follow you on TrendBrew and get new trend alerts. They can shop trending products, trending retailers, and trending content. Unique features like price comparison on products they like and price alerts help them save time. And we doubled down their savings by giving them brew points on every purchase made through TrendBrew. TrendBrew, a must-get-on platform both for you and your followers.